Welcome to the world of travel, where every adventure begins with a single packed bag. Whether you're a backpack enthusiast or a suitcase devotee, the journey to efficient travel starts with packing light. Imagine navigating bustling airports and narrow hallways without the burden of oversized luggage. But packing light is just the beginning. Comfort is key, especially when it comes to footwear, saving you from the dreaded blisters that come with new or ill-fitting shoes. Preparation extends beyond packing. Research your destination to uncover hidden gems and local customs. But remember, leave room for spontaneity. Some of the best adventures come from wandering aimlessly and embracing the unexpected. Money management is crucial on any journey. Carrying local cash can save you from sticky situations, like when cards aren't accepted. Opt for credit cards with travel perks and no foreign transaction fees to maximize your spending power. And don't forget your backup plans. A secondary phone loaded with essential apps and copies of important documents can be a lifesaver if things go awry. It's about being prepared for the unexpected, without letting it overshadow your adventure. Kindness and courtesy go a long way in making your travels smoother. A simple gesture can lead to better service and memorable experiences. Finally, be open to new adventures. Engage with locals and fellow travelers. The stories and friendships you create will be the true treasures of your journey. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of essential travel tips. If you're eager for more travel updates, consider subscribing to our channel. Until next time, happy travels!